Hello all, welcome to the session to know about contribution paths to the Mozilla community. This is a very basic session and it will be very helpful to understand where our contribution will be helping us in future. At the beginning days, when the students come into the contribution, they used to ask where they can contribute and how it will be very helpful. This slide is specifically meant to help students and understand how their contributions will be helpful for their professional life. Some of us know Firefox is available in large number of languages. In India, it is available in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, and so on. It is made by the contributors like us who put our energy to bring Firefox in our own language. In companies, they hire professionals who have expertise in localization and make their software available in other languages. Then Rust, it's one of the currently trending contribution area in Mozilla communities. So Rust is basically designed in such a way it keeps in mind security at first. It is a system level programming which runs faster and prevents the segmentation fault. You can write the simple programming in Rust and share it to others. You can also create the Rust libraries called creators and make it available in the creators.io, which can be used by many other Rust developers. WebDocs. Previously, it was called as a Mozilla Developer Network, where we had large number of documentation about the HTML, CSS, and web-related technologies. Also, most of the documentation related to the Mozilla technologies are available there. Here, you can contribute as a documentation writer. You can do the proofreading for the existing documents, and you can also translate the documents to your language. Then add-ons. So browser customization is very important part for the browser. You can bring large number of add-ons to the addons.mozilla.org. It will be very helpful for the Firefox growth. And if you have Python knowledge, you can help writing the backend system of the addons.mozilla.org, which is simply called as AMO. And if you are having a basic knowledge in React, you can help with the front-end technologies. So next is WebCompat. So currently many of the developers are developing their content only for the specific browser, say Chrome or Firefox or Edge. It is making the web look broken. So the main aim of the WebCompat team is to make sure a web page works across all the major browsers in the similar fashion. In this area, you can contribute by reporting the bugs in the webcompat.com. Then you can write the simple HTML CSS fix for the particular bugs. Then you can reach out to the developers of the particular company who is hosting the browser, who is hosting the website, and say that this is the particular fix you have to implement, so it will be available in other browsers. Then Rust. Then it's Aframe. After Rust, Aframe is trending currently in the Mozilla communities. So the main aim of the Aframe is to bring virtual reality in web, avoiding the gatekeepers like Google or Facebook. Here you can contribute by building the Aframe screens, and also there is currently event conducted by Mozilla India community where you can fix the simple bugs in the Aframe repository. So beyond this, we have contributions like growing the Firefox growth usage. Then we can also do the quality assurance, which is done by most of the contributors, which is very helpful for the Firefox. And there is another thing called open design. So here you can learn how to you can get the requirements from the broader community, and you can design according to their logo, and you can submit it to them. So they will be reviewing you, they will be mentoring you again, so you can improvise your design skills. So each and every contribution area here suggested here has some skill related to the professional development. So when you start your contribution, you have to focus in which area you want to be in and start your contributions in that particular area. Or if you are very passionate about the other areas, let's take if you are very passionate about designing, you can take the open design community contribution and contribute to that particular area, even though if you are a documentation expert or a web documentation writer. So here in contribution, passions matters. The knowledge you gain will be helpful at some point of your time. So we have one of the interesting website to know where we can contribute. So from this website you can go to the particular wiki link or the particular documentation link about the project. The first link what can I do for Mozilla.org is very helpful for everyone to know where they can contribute, and it will be like a QA questions. It will be having a set of questions based on your answers. After clicking the answers, you will be redirected to the particular wiki page. And then if you are specifically a developer, you should visit joesmatthews.net bughois. So here they will be listing each and every bugs available in the Bugzilla. So if you have a particular skill set, like you have Python knowledge, you have a Java knowledge, or if you have a knowledge in graphics programming, you can do the checkbox, tick at the checkbox, you can get the selected number of bugs. So these two websites are helping large number of contributors to start their contribution. The next question coming to the end contributors is, why should they contribute? So when you think about the contribution, you also have to think about its results, right? So at the end of the college, most of us in India are expecting to get a job, a very good job in a reputed company. So you can highlight your contributions in your resume. When the hiring manager visits that particular resume, he will be excited to know what particularly you have done. One of the recent example I would like to quote is the interview happened for the Prashant from Mozilla Tamil Nadu community. So he was contributing to the QA team, and he started the QA team in Tamil Nadu. So when he went for the interview, he got the opportunity to answer what he has done for the Mozilla QA. It was very helpful for him to crack the interview at Amazon. Next is, you can work on the live projects. Say a computer science student or any other student learns the subject in his college, but he has to apply it somewhere so that he will be knowing how to use it, how it is used in the professional life or in the real time. When you start contributing to the communities, like let's say to the AMO website, it is visited by 1 million users per day. So you will be understanding how your bug fixed is getting helpful for the 1 million users. You also learn the standard coding skills from contribution. And after this, you can meet amazing set of people and have fun with them. These people may become your best friends at the later part of your life. So Mozilla India community is having some of their social media channels. You can reach to Mozilla India community via these channels. You can feed them at Mozilla IN, and we have IRC channels for Mozilla IN also. It's #Mozilla IN. and there is a Telegram group. Above all, it is very important all the conversations are happening in Google groups. So I have shared the shortened URL of the Google groups. It's it's tinyurl.com/ggmozin. Don't forget to specifically get added to this particular Google groups. And then you can also join to the Mozilla TN community in the following social media handles. So this particular mascot is designed by a contributor named Rohit, who is currently contributing in the Open Designs community. Thank you.